Hey, Steve Basic Architect. I'm out here at our historic rental project, and today we're going to talk about steel beams. We can talk about the smaller ones first. You can see we took out this end of the gable wall that pretty much went from there all the way to the original corner. And if you remember in the previous videos, we poured that foundation out a couple feet. So that's where that little 2-foot jog is. But that's the old corner of the house. And it's interesting because we can identify that pretty definitively here. If we just simply walk down the beam here, you can see there's this large beam here that's grabbing the eave part of the house. But where they meet is the old corner of the house. And then that goes out to that steel column. You can see here, there's all the remnants, holes of the balloon framing and timber framing that made up the old wall. And then we have this one here, like I said, that one is gotten taken out to carry the eave wall. And what that does there, just a quick pan, that allows you to see the whole family room there. So Steve Basic Architect out here at our historic reno.